In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Power BI. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to leverage the power of both platforms for data analysis and visualization. And it's a great way to integrate the flexibility of Google Sheets with the powerful analytical capabilities of Power BI. To get started, you'll want to first open Power BI. If you're unsure how to find it, simply head to your desktop or your applications list and look for the Power BI icon. Give it a click to launch the program. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface if it's your first time. The Home tab, which is where we will begin, should appear right at the top of your screen. In the Home tab, you'll want to locate the Get Data button. This is your gateway to connecting external data sources like Google Sheets to Power BI. Clicking on Get Data will open up a window displaying a variety of data source options. It's from this menu that you'll connect Power BI to your Google Sheets data. In the search bar within this window, you can type in Google Sheets to quickly find the option. Alternatively, you might also find it under the online service options if you prefer browsing through the categories. This step is crucial as it specifies the type of data connection you're looking to establish. Once you've selected Google Sheets, a new field will appear, prompting you to paste the URL of the Google Sheet you wish to connect with. At this point, you need to switch over to your web browser where your Google Sheet is open. Copy its URL directly from the address bar and come back to Power BI. Carefully paste that URL into the field provided in Power BI. This URL is essential as it serves as the unique address Power BI will use to access your Google Sheet data. Ensure the Google Sheet you're connecting to is shared appropriately, ideally set to at least anyone with the link can view unless you are using an authenticated fetch. This ensures that Power BI can access the data without run-ins with permission errors. If any permission requests pop up during this process, make sure to grant them to allow a seamless connection. Once the details are inputted and confirmed, you should see your Sheets data load into Power BI. This data can now be manipulated, analyzed, and visualized using the powerful tools at your disposal within Power BI. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with organizing data sheets, applying filters, and creating visuals to best represent the data insights you are interested in. With this connection established, you're fully equipped to continuously update your reports. Remember, any change in your Google Sheets will reflect in Power BI, making sure your analysis remains current. This integration essentially combines the best elements of real-time collaboration and advanced data analysis in your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to Power BI.